Today we are staining our third and final floating shelf. That was loud. Had to square up the ends. Now if I can find square, lay down. Let's check to see if we're square. Can I tell you how much I love that miter saw? I mean, it's just spot on. Let's check this one. So you know I'm not full of it. I mean, you could barely fit the hair on a frog's butt through there. All right, let's stain it. Getting a phone call. Stand by, people. Okay, we're back.
You know what? I think before we stain, we're gonna vacuum all this stuff up because it's a hot mess.
And there's just so much crap on here from chiseling it the other day. Stand by.
Okay, we're looking. Here we go. Anyway, as I was saying, the finish we're gonna put is Special Walnut by Minwax. This is something that my wife has picked for about every project we've ever done for the last, we've been married 20 years plus. So yeah, I'm excited to see what it looks like. So good. It's just simple little live edge. I'm sure there's probably a better way to put it on than some cheap ass foam brush, but it's what we use. In the end, all looks the same. How we get there, it's your preference. It's your choice. You do you and I'll do me. That's what makes the world go round. What up, Oakley? I think Oakley, the shop cat, gets more likes and views and comments than my woodworking. So that's cool. He's a cool cat. I initially, don't hate me, initially didn't want him. My youngest son brought him home. I always thought I was allergic to cats. So for 20 years, I was like, nope, can't have cats. I'm allergic to them. He was away at work and in a different state. His job took him all over the country. So one day he comes home. He's like, hey, found this kitten. Couldn't just leave it where he was at was super hot. So he brought it all the way home from many hours away where he was and surprised me with it when I came home from work. And I was like, look at here. And immediately it was like, he's not staying. This cat is not staying. I was like, we'll get him his shots. We'll get him all healthy. We'll find him a good place to live. Everybody agreed. They were like, cool, yeah, we're down with that. Yeah, it wasn't. In that 2-week period, this cat loved on me like no one's business. That was July. It's now February. No, he's mine. He's ours. He is here to stay. And apparently I'm not allergic to cats. I think I was just allergic to my ex that had the cats. So that's a whole nother story. Very cool. You guys think?